Hi everybody, welcome to day 13 of Treasure Trovember, our month-long mixed media collage challenge. If you're just discovering this today, I'm going to put a link down below to the welcome video which explains the challenge. It's a really easy challenge to get caught up on, and the daily prompt videos are about 2 minutes a day. So join in, and you can also get our free guide, 30 tips for 30 days, where I give you lots of tips from previous Trovember participants. Go to explore.collagelab.com/Trovember to get your free guide. So we're on day 14. We're on day 14. I'm losing track of the days. Day 14, the prompt is add a party. Add a party to your collage, whatever that makes you think of. Anything that a party makes you think of. Add a party to your collage, and then come back tomorrow for day 15. We're almost at that halfway point, so I'll see you tomorrow.